I'm going to cover the steps to install a Ladderail handrail. This will fit 3 to 12-foot aluminum step ladders and 3 to 8-foot fiberglass step ladders. Clean off the sides of the ladder above the top step. I used a single-edge razor blade to remove stickers that were peeling. The brackets are mounted on the sides and are pushed up to the top cap. Remove the backing on the adhesive and position the bracket up to the top cap with the angled part of the bracket on the front of the rail. Hook the rear clamp onto the back inside edge of the rail and press it onto the slotted part of the bracket as far as it will go. Repeat with the other rear clamps. Hook the front clamp onto the inside edge of the front rail and press it onto the slotted part of the bracket as far as it will go. Repeat with the other front clamps. Slide the top rails into the bracket with the hole on the side facing away from the ladder and the holes on the edge facing toward the back for the latch. The elbows slide into the tool tray angled forward. Push the elbows into the top of the rails and lock the tabs into the holes on the rails. Lift up on the levers on the latches to extend or lower the rails.